As a curly, do you ever believe when a company says that their one product is a one and done? I don't. But this company proved me wrong. Are you ready? Let's do this. Well, hello, my curlies. Erica, your curl dresser here. We know when my hair is wet, we are trying a product. I have been asked if I have ever tried the Dream Coat for Curly Hair by Color Wow. I mean, I use the powder for coloring the grays, but I had never tried any of their products. So I looked into it, and they have one for curly hair. The other Dream Coats are for when you want sleek and smooth. So it doesn't seem like it would be for us. So I got the Dream Coat for curly hair. This is a Miracle Moisture Mist, and it creates the perfect frizz-free curls. It says so right on the bottle. All right, we know when a lot of companies say it's a one and done product. Yeah, okay, right? It replaces gels and creams and serums. That's what they say. I wasn't going to do this week, but I tried it yesterday, and man, I was impressed. I was outside. It was a little humid. I didn't perspire, but my hair held up really nicely, and I was pretty impressed with how it looked this morning. So here it is, the day before post day, and I am doing a video for you on the Color Wow. They also say there's no crunchiness, there's no greasiness, and I did get nice volume. This is alcohol-free, and it is not supposed to dry. It's supposed to add moisture. The bottle does have one of those little things that you have to pull off. You're supposed to squeeze out the excess water after you shampoo and condition or just wet your hair. I put in a leave-in conditioner because my hair is dry and the ends need it. You are supposed to spray this section by section, including the underneath, until your hair is saturated. Is it saturated? I don't think so. I am keeping it off my scalp, just so you know. I'm getting squish. Now for the back. I'm going to comb it through. I'm going to make my non-part. The back, I'm going to comb it all straight down. This is what I did yesterday. So I'm going to try it again. In the back, I combed the top section straight up. This way I would get more volume at the crown. And now I'm going to do the same thing to the front. This way everything is going in the same direction, straight down, instead of being somewhere else. Now, because all of my new little hairs are coming in, I really want to make sure that they are coming forward to do a good framing of my face, now that my hair is not so thin. So it's kind of like what I would be doing with the brush, just with a comb instead. Once you're finished, you flip and you scrunch your curls back in. I am just shaking it off the scalp and making sure it's coming forward. There's a lot of squish going on in here. Now, of course, you know me. I always use clips. So I'm going to stick in some clips. Let's do that. And then I'm going to separate these that are not curling properly. We know how I like my height in the right direction. And what am I going to use to diffuse my hair? Of course, the Bellissima Defon Diffuser Supreme. The Supreme has a bigger bowl as well as more settings, heat, and speed. If you're liking this video so far, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. It means a lot to me, and I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. Thank you. Because this is a one and done product, this is not meant for very coily, tight curls. This is meant for 2A, B, and C, and 3A and B, not 3C. And of course, because it's a spray, it's perfect for us with fine curly hair. Let's take a look, because it is, I don't want to say crunchy, but it's firm. Now, because they say it replaces a serum too, does that mean I don't need an oil to decrunchify? Decrunchify, right there. I don't know what to do. Do I say screw it and don't decrunchify at all with an oil? What do I do? What do I do? I'm going to flip and I'm going to decrunchify. It doesn't take much. A little swishing at the scalp just to help it look a little more full. All right, are we ready? You know I love it when I flip and shake my hair out. How does it look? It's actually not too bad. And it feels good. How does the back look, my curlies? What do we think? Some things just need to settle down a bit. But that's typical with our curls. But wow, look at the volume. I have volume. I could use a little more up top. Let me see. Okay, how's that? No, not much better. But that's because I'm old and my hair doesn't have the volume that it used to have. Oh, my curlies, my curlies. All right, so a little wacky over here, but hey, I'll take it. Let's take a look and you let me know in the comments what you think. Now, you see what this looks like, right? And it's incredible to me that you don't need a cream or another gel or even a serum. That was too loud. So they use this totally new technology and it combines 3 polymers. Yes, polymers. And when I heard polymers, I got a little concerned that maybe this is more toxic than other products. But no. Polymer number 1 is good for moisture, conditioning, and defrizzing. Polymer 2 restores bounce and elasticity. And polymer 3 keeps curls flexible, non-brittle, plus adds high gloss shine. You see what this looks like. This is nuts. One product, and I looked good the next day. And you see how light it is, that it's a spray, because I actually have volume. I looked up every single ingredient, every single one. Everything was a 1 except for 2 ingredients. So one of them, I don't remember which one, was between a 2 and a 4. And that was only if I think it touched the skin. And that wasn't even toxic. And then one ingredient was a 6, but I think that was the absolute last ingredient. And I'm not even sure what it is. As you can see, I'm very lost. I tried looking it up and I couldn't figure it out. I did my best. Let me know down in the comments if you've ever tried the Color Wow Dream Coat for curly hair. And what did you think? Did you get the same results like I did? Shine, curl definition, and no frizz? I don't even see frizz up in my halo. That's excellent. Day 2 hair, and I did nothing to it. And it's not bad. Until our next video, cheers and ciao for now. Oh, I forgot to take the clip out. Oops. Don't forget to take all your clips out before you try to decrunchify the scalp to make it look a little fuller. Polymer 1 moisturizes, conditions, and defrizzes. How hard is that? Polymer.